Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Jeff at Lockdown Security, www.lockdownsecurity.ca. Today, I've been working on this 2008 Lexus ES350. It's an amazing shape. It does have high kilometers, but it is an amazing shape Lexus ES350. We added a Sony AX3200 or XAV-AX3200 and a Crux CRX51 backup camera, and essentially upgraded the technology on this 2008 Lexus ES350. I'm just gonna hop in. This is what it looks like on the dash. This is using the Metra dash kit. It's integrated with the factory climate controls. This is the Sony radio here. We also added an access USB port right there. So the customer now has the connection port for plugging in their phone for CarPlay or Android Auto, and then another secondary port for charging. We custom made this. We drilled it into the kit. Customer wanted the USB port there. I'm just gonna turn this on. And I know the sun is kind of glarish, but I'll just throw the vehicle in reverse. You can see the backup camera there. It's got guidelines. And then I'm going to show you something cool that we do also. The Sony has a rear camera button. Almost all the head units we have a dedicated rear view button. You'll see the vehicle is in park, and I was able to activate the backup camera. If I put the car in drive, you could do the same thing. You can activate the backup camera. Now, many of you may ask, why would you want to activate the backup camera other than when in reverse? Well, in a situation like this, it might be unsafe to put it in reverse. You don't want the car to accidentally move. So instead of having to switch it to reverse to see the camera, you could just hit the camera button. That's unique to our installs. Every install we do with a multimedia head unit and a backup camera, we always wire it up or connect it in that fashion. I'm just going to show you here the radio and the steering wheel controls. So I don't want to get a copyright strike, so I'm going to keep the volume down. But as you can see, I am using the Lexus steering wheel control buttons. Full disclosure, the Sony multimedia receiver line, they all have built-in steering wheel control interfaces. So that's what we've used in this case. We didn't have to charge the customer for an extra interface, saving money. And as you can see, the Metra dash kit makes this radio install look quite factory and upgrades the technology. This particular radio has wired CarPlay, wired Android Auto, so the customer is going to get that. It's got Bluetooth, so telephone hands-free calls if you don't have CarPlay or Android Auto, but it'll also make phone calls through there. I don't have a USB cable to show you either of those technologies, but it's standard if you've used CarPlay or Android Auto in any car. That would be the same on this vehicle. What I love about the Sony receivers, the XAV-AX3200, is how basic it is. The GUI, the graphic user interface, is very simple to use. You literally have a home button and then you can swipe like this. That's all of your controls. In this case, we've given the customer radio, Bluetooth, USB, rear camera, and then you've got your AV in, your phone, and your settings. AV in on this one is not connected to anything. And then through settings, I'll just give you a brief rundown. If I go to general, you can see you can adjust the guidelines on the rear view camera, and then we also have plotting of the steering wheel control buttons. So full disclosure, if I wanted to configure these buttons as different functions, because I've got the Sony connected direct and I'm not using a steering wheel interface, I'm able to plot the button usage right on the screen. So in this particular vehicle, I plotted rewind, fast forward, volume down, volume up, source, and then I left the mute, the pause, the voice, and the send end, because this car, the 2008 Lexus ES350, does not have all of the buttons. So that pretty much concludes this video regarding the Sony XAV-AX3200 installed in this 2008 Lexus ES350. If you or somebody you know is looking to upgrade your Lexus, or any vehicle for that matter, give us a shout. 1-866-824-4118. sales@lockdownsecurity.ca is our email. Here I am dressed up in my work gear. Please like our video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. It goes a long way to help us make more videos like this in the future. And by all means, drop a comment below if there's anything that you want to see. We're always looking for new video ideas from our audience. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.